I love subs.
Should I?
Go
leave
ahead.
it out?
Go ahead.
No, I'm gonna save it, but should I wrap it up and fridge it, you think? Or do you do room
I
temp?
wouldn't fridge it. I would just put it back in the bag.
Alright, hold on.
I'm about to eat mine, or at least one of them.
I'm gonna save mine for the game. And then you really could kill it. Thank you, bro.
Of course.
And
Now you got all
Is it
that
yours?
halal food yesterday.
I got one. Thank you. That's the flaccid. That's the
that's the flaccid one?
flaccid one.